Hi guys, and welcome back to the AutoFinesse Detailing Academy, where this week we are tasked with our biggest challenge to date. We're joined by this Volvo FH lorry cab. We're going to be detailing it top to bottom and all the way round and taking you along for the ride. Stick with us, see how it all goes.
Enough of the code switching. Been hitting my soul, been on the ropes. I'm ready to grow, so get to know me. Keep your head up, I want you to grow with me. See this gold on me, want you to glow with me. Yeah, alright, okay. We get it. No contest. Wait, see this gold on me. Surf's up, nigga. You to glow with me. The world been dying, days is numbered, check the climate. I'm sick of it. They had brain scheme to get the riches quick. I played a long game with serene scene and the whip that's quick. From the back room to the hearts, I'm in the thick of it. I grind too hard for y'all.
That's your idea.
It was your idea actually originally. You said we should do a lorry.
Well,
Yeah, now you regret it.
What's the plan of action?
So I think me and you do the cab.
Yeah.
We'll get these boys on the chassis because all that black paint needs hand polishing and all the metal work. Matt, can you get up and get them stickers off the side for us?
Yeah.
Sean,
I'll take side panels.
You can do the lower bits. We'll push you around on a stool. You'll be fine.
You'll be fine. I reckon we can get that done in. When's the show?
Their show's this weekend.
Oh.
Come, let's crack on.
There's nobody out here going hard as me. Wish well the dog that claimed belief in me so he could use me. Look at me now, you chose your route, I know you sick to see it. You talk a lot, all that flop, but that's not harming us. Capping your status, we back, ain't nobody raws us. To the ones that held me down for the count, look at what growth will do. I'm the kid from the cul-de-sac, feeling double sex with loot, they pay to play my back. Ain't no way I'm going back until I'm fossil fuel to the flame, just like I'm supposed to do. Enough of the code switching, been hitting my soul, been on the ropes. I'm ready to grow, so get to know me. Keep your head up, I want you to grow with me. See this gold on me, want you to glow with me. Been hitting my soul, been on the ropes. I'm ready to grow, so get to know me. Keep your head up, I want you to grow with me. See this gold on me, want you to glow with me. I've been on a job.
It's alright. It's clean. Steve's done a good job cleaning it, but because it's straight up red, it's really, really faded. You might not see it from down here, but it's almost pink. So, just gonna brighten it up a little bit.
Me on your timeline, you know you need to stop it. I live for more than attention, might not be your trending topic. Put my worth in analytics, I admit that took a toll. I got addicted to scrolling, we know well that get toxic. I got caught comparing me to people I don't even know. They say it's lonely at the top, well maybe then I'll focus on things that's more important. And let whoever think whatever and just keep it moving. These niggas won't work on themselves, they'd rather see you losing. You'll never see me losing.
Enough of the code switching, been hitting my soul, been on the ropes. I'm ready to grow, so get to know me. Keep your head up, I want you to grow with me. See what's gold on me. Want you to grow with me. Want you to grow with me.
Lee's making tea.
Oh, yes, please, mate.
Lee's making tea. Off you go. Up the stairs. Stop the job.
And just like that, the FH cab is complete. Now, we're not experts in detailing lorries, but as a first go, we're really happy with how this one's come out. It's had a full deep clean wash, a decontamination, single stage machine polish, and then because it's going to a show this weekend, we've put a wax on top, maximum gloss. We've also done all the finer details, trims, tyres, glass, and anything else we could gain access to. Now, if you're more experienced with detailing these and you feel there's anything we could have done better or that we've missed, feel free to leave us a comment below, because we're always trying to learn and go that extra mile. After all, that is how we improve. But from us, that's complete. And we'll see you on the next one.